Hello, so I just received those bar stools. I'm putting them together. I just wanna give you a couple of close-ups. So in the package we get an instruction so you can see how to put it together. There's two bottom parts. What's important on the bottom, looks like there is a rubberized gasket, some kind of a thing to protect the floor, so this looks good. The cushions seat look also pretty good. It's nicely packed. There's the level to adjust everything. Let me put it together to show you how this works. And also the telescopes to go up and down in the middle. And this is final result. You can have it really low, or you can go as high as you want. And the chairs look pretty good. I like them. Nice and sleek, and then you can put your feet right here. And they look really good. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.